Hello there. So let's do a fall eye look, okay? So I already went and did this eye so that you could see what we're going for. And I'm just gonna use a few colors. It's four actually. I thought these were very fall looking, so I chose those for today. These are actually a mix of some of the ones that came out in the summer, and then some of our ones that have been around for a while. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use the fluffy end, and I'm going to go into this color called Havana. And I'm just going to sweep that across the crease of my eye. I'm going to bring it up over my brow bone just because I have a hooded lid and I want to make sure that you're able to see the color with my eyes open. So I need to bring that up a little bit higher. Okay, just gonna sweep that all the way across there. Okay, and then we're gonna go into this next color right here, and I believe this one is called Pomegranate. Let me make sure before I keep moving along. Yes, it is. So we'll use that one next. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay. So then I'm going to take the small end of the eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to tap into this a little bit and I'm going to tap it off, and then I'm going to draw right here along the bottom lash line and then up into the crease right there, okay? And that's just going to deepen that outer edge of my eye, okay? And then I'm also going to bring that under the lash line here. Okay. And then I'm going to make sure I've got this like I want it. Then I'm going to flip over to my fluffy end again, and I'm going to just blend that all out. Okay. Okay. And then I've got this color, it's called You Complete Me. It's kind of a gold, rose gold type color. I'm gonna use my middle finger and I'm going to rub on top of that, and I'm gonna place it right in the center of my lid. And I'm gonna go over to that inner corner. See that? Isn't it so pretty? Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my brush again, and I'm going to use the fluffy end, and I'm just going to gently go across that to make sure it's evened out. And then I'm going to go up here, swipe everything, make sure it looks good and even. Then I have this last color called Sabrina. I'm going to go into that, tap off. I'm going to put a little bit right here just to give myself some light right there in the inner corner. And then I'm going to use a little bit up here by the brow bone. And that is it. Isn't that the simplest way to do your eye makeup? I mean, that is as easy as it gets, right? So these are some amazing colors. I am really loving all of the fall colors, even though it doesn't feel like fall where I'm at. But I really like this eye look. If you would like to get color matched, or you would like to get some eyeshadows, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. They're really nice. As you know, you can take them out of the compacts and put any colors in that you want. That's what makes them so amazing, because you can just change everything in and out whenever you feel like it. So that was super simple and easy. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you next time.